Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about use WhatsApp status efficiently. Let's get started. WhatsApp status is a feature on WhatsApp that you can take advantage of when you're doing business with your customers. Let your customers know about your WhatsApp business number. If you have built your followers on your social media channels, then they can add you on their contacts list, and you will be able to use your WhatsApp status to promote your products and services. There's no way to know if they have added you on their contacts list, but you can give them instructions when you post in your social media channels that after they add your number on WhatsApp, they have to send a code to your business number, and in return, they could get a discount that they can use to purchase your products or services. That way, people will be eager to add your number and you'll be able to receive a message from them so that you can add them to your WhatsApp contacts list. After that, you can use your WhatsApp status to show your promotional messages that you have crafted. Make sure the photos or videos that you will upload as your WhatsApp status will create curiosity and attract your contacts to engage with you. Give special offers. Your contacts will be able to see your status with the products or services that you are promoting. Including a special limited time offer price for your WhatsApp contacts will encourage your customers to purchase products from where they can save money as they avail of the special promotion that you are offering. People like availing discounts, so when you include a scarcity with a limited time offer, you are giving your customers a deadline to take action or miss out on the huge discount. This will let your customers engage with you and reply to your status about how they can avail of the products with discounts. Share your customer reviews. When you share positive feedbacks or testimonies from your customers who likes your product or find it useful and helpful in their lives, potential customers will have an assurance that your products or services are of great value and quality. They will trust positive feedbacks from random strangers who have reviewed your products. This can influence their buying decision to avail of your products and services or not. So it's a good practice to ask for your customers to leave you feedback for your business. Share announcements. You can create an invitation for an upcoming event that your business will be a part of. It could be an expo where customers can catch you live and check out your products in person. Also, offering freebies if they attend the event will encourage them to go and experience the expo to try your products. Expos are a great place to promote small businesses for people to discover your products. By giving discounts if they buy products on the event will give them more encouragement to push themselves in availing of the discount and get freebies from your business. Introduce products that you will offer soon. This creates curiosity to your viewers. It also adds excitement to your customers to stay tuned with your posts, status, and other social media accounts that you have, because they know that anytime soon, the product that you're introducing will soon be available to your store. People want something new to try. This is a good marketing practice so that your customers can't wait for that day to come as they can purchase and try your new product. By knowing how to use your WhatsApp status efficiently, you can promote your business's products and services within 24 hours. You can be creative with your images or videos so that your viewers would engage in your WhatsApp status. Creating your marketing campaign using the WhatsApp status will also help your business increase sales. Now that you have learned about using WhatsApp status efficiently, we can now proceed to the next topic, getting people to sign up. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about getting people to sign up. Let's get started. As a business owner, you want to gain more leads, followers, and eventually convert them into your regular long-term customers or clients. You need to know the factors of how people are willingly giving their time to provide you with their private information. That way, you will know how your approach and strategy will be on how you will attract them and choose your business and convert them eventually as your regular customers. You need to know how you can drive them to you. If you offer a free ebook that they can download in return for signing up, then people are most likely to give you what information you need from them. People love getting free stuff, so if you give them content that they can learn something from, they would be happy to give out their information to you. Give them a preview of what they can get if they purchase your products or services. You may offer a free 30-minute session for services that you offer. That way, they will be asking for more, and as a result, they would like to extend that 30-minute free trial to a full service. If you start giving your customers a taste of what they can expect when they purchase your products or services, they are more likely to try and purchase your products. It makes people feel that they are getting a better value, since they have tested it already. And through testing, they already know if they like your products and services or not. Choose your call to action message wisely. If you make your call to action a specific command that you want your viewers to do, they are more likely to click on that call to action button. Unclear call to action will not appeal to your viewers, as they would not easily understand what's in it for them if they click that button. Keep the sign-up process simple. People don't want to fill up forms that require them to input tons of their details, as it will take up their time to type in their details just to sign up. Your goal is to make them sign up, so make it simple and ask for 3 to 4 details only. The necessary details are their first name, last name, email address, and contact number, which is an important information that you need for your WhatsApp. Give limited time to offer promotions. People love getting discounts. If they learn that they could get 10% off any purchase from your products or service in exchange for getting their information to sign up, they will be happy to do so just to save money. Understanding the factors that will convince your viewers to sign up will help your business increase your conversion rate. It will help you more with nurturing the relationship that you have with your new leads so they can be converted to one of your regular customers.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.